I'll tell you what people are saying about coronavirus. Some of you have been sending in your messages. Let me take some of those messages. This one says, Sweetin says, I'm calling from Kumasi. I watched a video saying a new medicine can heal COVID-19. I learned it has been tested and proved in Ghana. That has not happened, Mr. Collins. That has not happened at all. There is a vaccine being tested in the United States, but it's at the very, very fundamental levels. So nothing of that sort has happened. This one says, what is wrong with this NIA people? You don't add your name or anything. This one says, WASI has not started. The certificates are needed for admission in August, September, but the WASI has been suspended. But NIA is acting with impunity. The government of Ghana is complicit in what NIA is doing. It's from Foga in Aflao. Foga, thanks for sending in that message. This one says, government has to order the NIA to stop the registration and respect human rights. This is Dunga from Nima right here. Dunga, thank you for sending in your messages. This one says, not only the NIA, I think authorities should stop public transport and our markets for now to avoid community spread. It is getting scary. Amwa, Philippine Techiman, two more, and then I go to my next story. It says, good afternoon. My name is Isaac Ado Adams from the Eastern region. NIA should be sued to appear before court. Well, that has already happened, but they're still adamant. It says, why are they the only institution? You're asking if they're the only institution in Ghana. They should give us a break. What actually do the government want from this registration exercise? Daniel Odonko. This one says, this is very disgusting. The NIA boss is having the backing of the president. That's why. If not, then who born dog? From AB in Accra. I'm going to take you to the court now. Chief Justice Kwesi Anini-Yeboah has directed judges and magistrates to grant long adjournment. This is the contribution of the judiciary to ensure that courtrooms are largely empty to contain the fast-spreading COVID-19. Court correspondent Joseph Akable has the following report in which he captures new directives from the CJ and what the Ghana Bar Association has been asking members to do.
The Chief Justice says judges and magistrates should ensure that cases involving parties should only be heard with lawyers present and their witnesses allowed as well. They are also to ensure that in other cases only lawyers and parties are allowed in court. Only parties in a case with their lawyers may enter the courtroom when the specific case is called. Judges and magistrates should be flexible in granting adjournments during this period. Judges and magistrates should grant long adjournments in matters which do not require immediate resolution. Registrars are to bear these directives in mind in fixing dates in order to decongest the courts. The Chief Justice says he is confident these additional measures will go a long way in decongesting the courts and consequently preventing the spread of COVID-19. The Ghana Bar Association has also issued a statement on the matter. The statement announces a 4-point guideline to be followed by members. In view of the fact that there are presently cases that have already been scheduled before courts, lawyers may communicate with their colleagues in a matter if they are desirous of adjournments. Where a matter is pending in the court, even if part heard, counsel may agree on a date and inform the registrar of the relevant court accordingly by correspondence. Lawyers may opt to take long adjournments within the term. All cases pending before the court must be adjourned to specific times on specific dates, and lawyers must endeavor to appear only at a scheduled time. Lawyers are to dispense with the presence of their clients and their acquaintances when applications are listed for hearing and in cases that are not part heard. It concludes that the National Executive of the GBA wishes to entreat all its members to abide by the above guidelines to ensure that the courts are decongested to safeguard the health and safety of members of the bar, bench, staff of the judicial service, litigants, and the general public.